Konnichiwa minasan! My name is Jen. Welcome to our channel, Gen XG. Hi guys! As you've heard from the news, masks are running out. So today's vlog, I will teach you 3 types of DIY mask. So let's begin. So the first type of mask I will teach you is the easiest. The materials you need: paper towel or a tissue, 2 pieces of rubber band or 2 pieces of ponytail band, and last, stapler. So first, you get 3 pieces of paper towel. And then, start folding the paper towel into small folds until it is completely folded. Then, make a small fold on both sides of the paper towel. Then, place the rubber band on the folds. Then, staple it. Secure the rubber bands, and that's it. Finally, unfold the paper towel. That's it. You have your paper towel mask. By the way, if your paper towel are too thick, just use 2 sheets. The process is still the same. Isn't it easy? And that's it. And the second type of mask I will teach you is also easy. All you need are a handkerchief and 2 pieces of rubber band. The first step is fold the handkerchief into half and then fold another half. Insert the rubber band on both sides. And then fold the other side going to the center. Then, insert the other side And that's it. So now, let's try it on. So that's it. You have your handkerchief mask. So now, I will teach you how to make the third type of mask. All you need, handkerchief. Next, 4 pieces of paper clip. Next, 4 pieces of rubber band. First step, get 2 pieces of rubber band and follow this step. Next, do this on the other pair. Using the rubber band, tie each clip on both sides. And then, do the same steps on the other pair. And now, fold the handkerchief into half. Again, fold another half. And fold another half. Now, fold the side of the handkerchief into small fold. So now, insert the clip here. Do this on the other side. So now, on the other side of the handkerchief, fold like this. again, insert the paper clip here. And do this on the other side. So that's it. On this part of the handkerchief mask, you can insert any filter, a paper towel, or a tissue. And that's it. So now let's try it. That's the third type of mask. Hope that this vlog will help you. Stay safe, everyone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you on the next one. Bye!